Okay guys, so today I'll be showing you how you can download an app or any game on App Store which has its size over 200 megabytes. Yes, so these are the steps you should follow to get that done. So let's start. So let's search for any app or a game which has its size over 200 megabytes and try to download. So NBA 2K mobile basketball. So here you can see its size 401.6 megabytes. So now let's try to get okay, so now you verify your touch ID. Verify your touch ID and we wait. So now there you go. It says app over 200 megabytes. Connect to a Wi-Fi network to download NBA 2K mobile basketball, which means until you connect a Wi-Fi network, you wouldn't be able to download that app or that game you are trying to download. So now here's the trick. This is what you do. So after you have been given this feedback, just press OK. Then you go back home. So now it says here waiting. So you just tap on it. Then it starts loading. So that's the trick. And mostly it doesn't work on, not all phones support this type of trick. So I'll be teaching you another trick. So now here's what you do. Let's find another app over 200 megabytes, say Dream League. So Dream League, let's pick the Dream League. I tried downloading it once. So the Dream League, here's what you do. When you try using the first trick and it doesn't work, you try the second one. So up over 200 megabytes, you connect to a Wi-Fi network. So here's what you do. After this feedback, you press OK and you go back home. Then you go to settings. Then general, date and time. So when your phone is set to automatically update its date and time, you turn it off. Then you come to the date. Then you set your date forward. You shift your date forward, say 22nd March. So then you go back to the app you are trying to download. Then you click. Then it also starts to download. So that here are the two tricks when you have been using those feeds about download your apps